live and work on a daily basis. I mean, my view with Microsoft is that it's more than an ERP. And yes, we are going to talk deeply into the distribution, manufacturing, industry verticals today. But when you think about Microsoft, the tools we interact with, whether it's Excel, Word, or Outlook, it's bringing all the data together in a seamless manner so we can make the right information available at our fingertips. And that's the key to Microsoft and Microsoft strategy, which not a single other vendor can provide when we come talk about the manufacturing. And you'll see some of that in action when we talk about data and in AI with the team.
Do is we within Microsoft, we have the AI in manufacturing. So this is obviously to help you improve your times and uh, help you with inventory management. And I think one of the core things is that with AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning together, you can help optimize inventory, as well as you can then use it to control and optimize your robotics and automation systems, increasing efficiencies and reducing your labor costs. And I think this is an important part. So with artificial intelligence that we can use and make it effective, but bearing in mind that at the end of the day, it still needs human intervention as well.